I arrived at the downtown area here at Grand Canary. Took the bus into town, took about 30 minutes. I'm gonna head into the historic center, Old Town, and I'm just gonna take a look at the main city of Las Palmas, since I decided to just stay here one day instead of 4 days.
For me also, but I just don't pay my bill.
Uh-oh. Alright, so I made it to Las Palmas. I'm touring around now. I'm with, what's your name? Alright, so we met at the airport last night. Today's a nice sunny day. We've been walking around. We stopped at this cafe to have some drinks.
Very good.
Cheers. How long are you planning to stay here?
Who knows?
You don't know yet? Okay. That's good. So maybe I'll message you in a few months to see if you're still around. What's our plan? What's our plan right now?
No plan.
No plan for you, okay. But our plan today is to go see Castillo, the castle. We're trying to find this castle called Castillo de la Zona, de la Cruz. Right here. Okay. So after we finish our drinks, we'll head out and see some more of Las Palmas. Here's the Science Center and Technology Center Museum. Yeah. Hey, what kind of life do you want to have?
Camper life with the dogs.
So that would be the perfect life?
Yes. No commitments.
All right. All right, so good tour. You want to go to another cafe? All right, let's check out this one.
You have to go like 4?
I hope it's open.
No.
All right, well, it was nice meeting you. Thanks for walking around town.
And both getting like tired and
So we both have tired legs and feet from our 8-kilometer journey around Las Palmas. But at least it was a nice day, and we got to visit the flea market, visit a couple cafes, and get a good experience for my first day and your first day too. So I wonder,
first day yesterday was sucked.
Yeah.
Sucked.
Yesterday didn't work that well. I wonder where I'll see you again. Tenerife? Maybe, huh? Who knows? I'm gonna head to the airport now. Catch my bus. Good. So that was my trip in Las Palmas. I'm gonna head back to the airport now. My flight leaves in 2 hours from now. I'm trying to get back in time. Always on the go.
Good afternoon. Please take your seat as soon as possible in order to speed up boarding. Store your personal items under the seat in front of you. En caso de pérdida de presión de la cabina, se abrirá automáticamente un compartimento situado encima de sus asientos que contienen la máscara de oxígeno. Si esto ocurriera, tiren fuertemente la máscara, colóquela su nariz, la boca y respiren con normalidad. Los pasajeros que viajen con niños deben colocarse la máscara y luego colocarse a los niños. Should the pressure of the cabin increase in flight, oxygen must be dropped automatically from a compartment to your seats. If they happen...
It's 10:05, which is about 5 minutes before the scheduled flight time. Okay, winter has arrived to Madrid. We have 4 degrees in the temperature. The skies are clear and we have low winds from the north. That's all. Thank you very much for flying today with us. We hope you have a very nice stay in Madrid. And we would love to see you any other time back in the air. Thank you.